Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab, and today I'm with our 2025 Toyota 4Runner SR5, and if you'll notice right here, we actually have the TRD insert installed. This video will serve as the install video for these TRD line overlays. We have them for the 2025 4Runner and the 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma. If you have a 4Runner, these are present on the front doors. If you have a Tacoma, they're present on the front and rear doors of the TRD Sport and TRD off-road models. Alright, so if you're getting these for the 2025 4Runner, you're going to have 3 sets. I always give you 1 extra, and if you had a Tacoma, you're going to get 5 because you have 4 doors and then 1 extra. What I'm also going to give you is transfer paper, and this will help keep the alignment. Alright, so you want to put the transfer paper onto the letter, and we're using a hard surface here because the armrest is padded, and that didn't work getting it off. Push down really hard until that vinyl comes off with it, and then get eye level with the letter you're trying to install. Make sure you're aligned properly and start pushing it closer and closer to the trim. Tack it down and start pushing from the center out. Push down firmly, and then you have your letter installed. Go back, grab another letter, push down firmly. You can also bend the paper kind of like this to make sure it grabs it. Eye level again with the letter. Get that proper alignment, tack it down, push from the center out, and just repeat for all your doors. So there you have it. If you need this for your 4Runner or Tacoma, just visit my website at stickerfab.com. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things I'm coming out with for all of these vehicles.